Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Salient. I am a master student of Faculties of Economics, Khon University in Thailand. Today I would like to present about my presentation title is Genders and Work-Family Balance Everywhere from Northeast Thailand. Our presentation is following into their five main parts. The first one is introduction and literature review, methodology, research analysis, and the last one is conclusion part. In the introduction part here, first of all, I would like to present about our study background. In 2012, male labor force employed over 7 million people and female labor force employed nearly about 6 million people in Northeast Thailand. In 2021, male labor force employed over 5 million people and female labor force employed over 4 million people. So males are more than female working members in Northeast Thailand. According to their data, males and female labor force employed are both declining. However, we can see visible that female labor force employed is nearly half of their labor force employed in Northeast Thailand. Female labor force participation due to their career aspiration and educational achievement, so we must pay attention to their female labor force participation impacts. Females are not only in increasing family income but also they are primary or secondary income for their family health, giving rise to negative consequences. Because of female have traditionally been limited to their domestic tasks, such as household chores, caring about their children, parents, and grandparents. However, regardless of their employment level, female continues to prioritize household responsibility. Due to their family demand overload, females will face work family conflicts arise when work responsibility prevents one from satisfying family responsibility. In this slide head, I would like to present our paper significant of the study. Nowadays, the gender affairs take her educate and the challenges of work family balance is very considerable in many countries. Work family balance affects worker well-being and performance. Work family balance affects different across genders and gender differences in work family balance may reveal other determinants of work family balance. This literature shows that work family balance is a major factor impacting our well-being because our work and family are the most significant aspects of individual lives. Our research objective is to explore the difference between across genders and work family balance in the situations of Northeast Thailand through questionnaires and interviews. Our research questions are do men and women differ in work family balance and what determines work family balance. We want to know this because we want to help people achieve it. If men and women experience differences in work family balance, we want to know what drives this difference. And the next part is literature review part. This is our theoretical framework. After reviews of literature, I grouped different determinants of work family balance into three main variable categories. The first one is family measurement variable category. In this group has nature of spouses, numbers of children, family support culture, family workload. And the next category has organizational variable category. In this group has supervisor support, co-worker support, organizational culture, and working hour variable. The last one category is demographic variable category. In this group had age, gender, marital status, personal attributes. All of these variables are leading to the resulting of work-family balance. And then next part is methodology part. We use the method in both quantitative and qualitative analysis. In this part here, I would like to present qualitative analysis part. The survey result method is used in qualitative, which means that this information is acquired through a well-designed structured questionnaires, and this approach better to purpose and intention along the result question and get. And we use the sample size is 237. Our target population is actually working a adult population 25 years and over. And then when we run the regression model, we remove to the texas and we collect to the survey period time was February to May 2022. This is our questionnaire design. All of these indicators focus on 6 points like a scheme. In this slide head, I would like to present data collection part. Research assistant assigned to get responded and we collect to the online questionnaire survey conducted via Google Form and shareware responded via email in Northeast Thailand. We use 15 independent variables and 10% per variable regression with continuous data according to their literature. And the next part is data analysis part. We use the econometric model, a linear regression model, because we want to find out the work family balance and gender effects. We use the female indicator is binary indicator. The coefficient is the differences in work family balance between males and female, especially work family balance or female minus that of males on average. If we run the regression model, if we will get positive coefficient indicated that female has a high levels of work family balance than male. If we will get minus coefficient indicated that female has a low levels of work family balance than male. If we run the regression model, if it is insignificant, at that time we adapt to those control variables. Our control variables are 15 independent variables. In this time, we have next argument regression this morning. The coefficient for the male-female differences in work family balance when all control variables are constant. If it is insignificant after all control variables are added and then male-female differences is accounted for by the control variables. If it is significant, then male-female differences is driven by other factors not accounted for in this model. The source or difference remain a topic for future work. And the next part is qualitative analysis part. A qualitative test for interview with 7 respondents unique studies in Northeast Thailand. Our target population is full-time salary worker at the workplace and businessmen. We developed 20-minute interview who indicated their responded, their personality characteristic, care responsibility, work conditions, family conditions, and organizational policy and willingness to be interviewed. The questionnaire were organized according to the 3 categories: work conditions, family conditions, and well-being. And the next part is result analysis part. In this table shows the summary statistics on demographic profiles of respondents in Northeast Thailand, such as age, marital status, education, occupation, monthly income, working hours, and numbers of children. And then in this table shows the overall work family balance on average is 4.76, and then male is higher, female work family balance on average. In this table shows that married, non-married, and related to their overall work family balance on average. We might expect that marriage to be associated with more household responsibility. That's why low levels of work family balance. But in this data show that marriage is mostly associated with higher work family balance. It is true for both males and females. In this slide, I would like to present our questionnaire result. In model 6 show that when we adapt to their all control variable, height, age, marriage, care total, monthly income, work hour, family support, supervisor support, co-worker support, organization culture, agreeableness, neurotourism, extraversion, conscientiousness, openness, all of those control variables we adapt to there in this modern set. In this time, monthly income, family support, extraversion, and organization culture variables are associated with higher work-family balance. And then let's call and show that male-female separately affects our work-family balance. For female, family support, organization culture, and extraversion variables are significantly associated with high work-family balance. For me, monthly income, organization culture, conscientiousness variables are significantly associated with high work-family balance. In this slide here, I would like to present our interview results. In our interview results, males and females were also struggling, but their individual perception, priorities, and personality drove the differences in genders. Marital status were visible to no affects work-family balance. And then, according to their interview result, workload is a very important factor in work-family balance. Family view demand has no effects on work-family balance. And then, according to their interview results, co-worker support, supervisor support, organizational support, and spouse and family were better able to find work-family balance. This is our conclusion part. In conclusion part, we had no conclusive evidence of gender differences. Marriage and household responsibility don't seem to affect female differently than male. However, we find that work-family balance is driven by some different factors across genders. Income must be more work-family balance for male than female. We discovered that family member support and mutual understanding are affected to work-family balance for female. Extraversion is associated with higher work-family balance among female, while conscientiousness is so for male. And we found that organizational culture regarding family responsibility is more crucial than supervisors and co-workers is driving work-family balance for both genders. So to improve work-family balance, we must address organizational culture. In this part head, I would like to present our paper limitation and suggestion for future study. One of our limitations is convenient sampling method is not represented of their demographic population because of this project limited strong generalized inferences to the largest population. And then this study considers only currently working age adults and may underestimate gender differences in work-family balance since married women are less likely to work. Future studies should be focused on specific features of organizational culture that improve work-family balance. Future studies should be focused on separately work-family balance by job type. This is my end of the presentation. Thank you for kind attention. If you have any question, you can ask me anytime and you can contact our mail address. Thank you so much.